Hello YouTubers, this video is about the brief intro to data structures. To understand the data structures, we have to first understand data types. So to understand data types, let us consider this example. X plus y plus z equals to 2.434. Now in this equation, x, y and z are the variables that are used to store the values. Now these variables can be rational numbers, irrational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers or any number from the number system unless they are specified that they are integers or what from the number system. Now in the similar manner, different programming languages provide us different data types to specify the value we want to store. So for that, there are majorly two types of data type that are defined. First is system defined and the second is user defined. System defined is also known as primitive data type. In primitive data type, we have int, float, char, bool, etc. data types provided by the programming language so that we can store any value specifically defined. Now, for example, in the above equation mentioned, if we declare x and z as int and y as float, then x and z can store only integer values, but y will store the decimal values. Now x and z cannot store the decimal values. Now the domains of the data type depend upon the number of bits provided by the compiler, operating system or the programming languages, and they may be different according to the different programming languages. For example, the int data type has 4 bytes to store the data in the Java, and it ranges between 2 raised to the minus 31 to 2 raised to the 31 minus 1. The chart is there for the different data types to show their ranges. Now, secondly, the user-defined data type are provided so that there is more flexibility to the user. The examples of the user-defined data types are struct in the C and C++ and classes in the Java. Now, after understanding the data types, what is data structure? Data structure is a way of storing and organizing data so that it can be used efficiently in the form of information. Data structures are of two types. One is linear and the another is non-linear. In linear data structure, the data is accessed in a sequential manner. For example, arrays, linked lists, queues, stacks, etc. Now, in array, the data is stored in a contiguous memory and is accessed in a linear manner. Now, in nonlinear data structure, the data is accessed in a nonlinear manner. The examples of the nonlinear data structure are trees and graphs, etc. Now, in trees, there are branches, and we can go to the left node also and to the right node also in the trees. So, it can be accessed in a nonlinear manner. Thank you for watching. My next video will be about algorithms.